Hi there, my name is Theresa Christine. I am a travel blogger at Tremendous Times and a freelance writer, and I'm super excited to have you in my free blogging basics course here on Skillshare. If you've been blogging for a bit, you'll certainly find some good inspiration and tips in here, but this class is most appropriate for beginners. It's sort of a crash course for those who really don't know much about blogging or aren't quite sure where to start. I want this class to be free because starting a blog has been such a life-changing experience for me. I've landed pretty much all of my freelance writing clients because of my blog, and I want to give others the same opportunity to get started with something equally exciting. Whether you want your blog to be your business, advertise your services, or you just want to share your life with the world, this will be a wonderful way to start it off on the right foot. This basics course will cover 5 things: platforms available to set up your blog design, the pages you should set up for your site, social media, and creating amazing content. Your task for this course will involve laying the foundation for your fancy new blog so that when you feel ready to start it, you will have a clear direction of where to go. Each video will have a small subtask for you to complete, and at the end, this will be the outline you'll use when you're set to take the leap into the blogosphere. Now, when you're ready, head on over to the first lesson to get started.